Natasha here for another unboxing, hands-on, and first impressions. Today we have a gaming laptop, and I know you guys know that I absolutely love gaming. So this is something very exciting for me. So today in the studio we have the HP Omen. I've always liked HP Omen because they have like such an aesthetic looking laptop. That is so cool. Anyways, just a little bit of a tech specs for this. This does come with the NVIDIA RTX 2070 Max-Q graphics card bundled with the Intel Core i7 9th Gen. These are extremely powerful specs, and in addition to that, for extremely fast loads, you have a 256GB SSD as well as 1TB internal storage. So this does currently go for 7,999 ringgit. Okay guys, now let's talk about what I liked and didn't really like about this laptop. Let's start with what we like, okay? Number one, the most important part about any gaming laptop is definitely the performance, and I am in love with the performance of this one. This laptop can run Destiny 2 on highest settings with a constant 90 to 100 FPS very perfectly. I didn't have a problem with this. I played League of Legends on this. You're gonna get some decent, smooth gaming. Especially if you guys are like me. If you guys love playing those story-based games like maybe Final Fantasy 15 or Monster Hunter, this is a beast for that. Number two, let's talk about the design. This is one of the laptops, I mean, in terms of gaming, that I actually really like. Don't get me wrong, I love most gaming laptops. I love how gamery it looks. I love all the electric colors, the reds. But let me tell you this, what kind of laptop just looks sleek? Like, you can bring this out and you're gonna look like a freaking fashionista. It looks like some kind of like, you know how girls have Prada bags? This will probably be the Prada of gaming laptops. Aesthetically, I especially love the logo for Omen by HP. It's kind of like embossed here and it's kind of shiny, and I love the two different textures on this as well. Also, let's talk about something else. So this laptop does come with a 4-zone RGB. I'm just gonna show you guys. It does come, you can control it here in the Omen Command Center, and the zones start from on the right side here, and then to the middle, to the left, and then also the 4th zone is the WASD keys, and then voila, you can choose pretty much any color for each zone. Next up, let's talk about the 144Hz display. Man, I'm gonna tell you guys, as a gamer, I actually really like my games to have like a lot of FPS. 60 was like, it was alright, and then once you go to 144Hz, you get those smooth, buttery, beautiful graphics with no tears, no stutters, and you know, so for you guys who love games with lots of cinematics, like say maybe Final Fantasy 13, Monster Hunter, you know, Final Fantasy 15, as well as games that are competitive such as CSGO, Destiny 2, you wanna actually get this. Alright guys, now that we've talked about what I liked, there's obviously gonna be things that I didn't really like. As most things in the world, there is yin and yang balance. Let's talk about something else I didn't really like. Okay, so on this laptop, there's also a thing called performance control. So it comes in 3, which I really like, by the way. I should have added that to the like, but let's talk about what I didn't really like about it. If you want like the best performance, you obviously should be clicking on performance mode, which is Omen Dynamic Power. So this one, it optimizes and sets your resources, makes it more for like your activity. But the only problem about that is they've already given this warning that it can get pretty loud and kind of hot because you are using more power. Alright guys, that is all that we liked and didn't really like about the HP Omen. Overall, this is a great gaming laptop. I had a ton of fun with this. I wish I can keep it because it's so good. I love the RGB and everything else in between. I honestly think that one of the few things that gamer laptops should be like, it should more, you know, aesthetically pleasing, because you know, people like me, I love aesthetics and I love gaming. This is exactly what I wanted. If you guys want to amp up your like, you know, gamer aesthetics and stuff, this does come with its own peripherals, the Omen peripherals. You have mouse pads, you have mice, as well as headphones, and they're actually really cool. They match in color, and when you put it all, you know, side by side, it's like, oh man, look at her setup. It's like pure gamer, and I totally dig that. Alright guys, if you guys think the 7,999 is a little bit too steep, there is the HP Pavilion gaming laptop, which retails for 2,979 ringgit, and in contrast to this, it comes with an electric green keyboard. The tech specs on that one is a little bit lower than this, being a budget gaming laptop with the Intel Core i5 8th Gen, as well as the GTX 1050 graphics card, which honestly to me should be fitting for most of your gaming needs. But I do recommend you guys to upgrade the RAM for that one, and you want 8 when you're gaming. Alright guys, I'm Natasha, and now I'm gonna go back to Destiny 2 because I got a raid to catch. See you guys later.